Tuesday, everybody. This is Tisa with Green Organic Love, and I did want to let you guys know that I'm gonna be starting a series with my trees, because that's honestly at this point the only thing that I have worked on. So, and basically they kind of worked on themselves. Well, I started off yesterday with the loquat tree, and today I'm gonna move on to a tree that I got brand new in the yard last year. So I want to share with last year in July I got this tree, so I want to share with you guys what's growing on with it and the new things that are developing on it. So hold on and we will get a close-up on how this tree is and what it's called. So last year around July, I put a few trees on the property. This is the one that I wasn't quite sure if it would survive, but it is surviving. Oh, I had to sit my coffee down. So let's see what it is. It is a Dwarf Lemon Meyer tree, and I got this from the Home Depot. I was going to say Lowe's, but that tag says the Home Depot. So I put it in this big pot, as you can see. But I was out here taking pictures and I looked over and look. Wow, look at that. I was really shocked. I was like, I really have got to get out here and start filming what's growing on in this garden, because I haven't really been paying attention to nothing out here. We've been so, actively taking a part in nurturing our health, but I haven't fed it anything. I haven't given it any fertilizer, nothing. So I need to do that. I know that one thing that's really good for citrus trees is I usually, when I was into it, was half a cup of, what do you call it? Epsom salt with a gallon of water. So that's probably what I'll do, because as you can see, the leaves are starting to look a little discolored. So I'm gonna work on that probably this weekend sometimes. But I just wanted to come out here and give you guys a glimpse of what's growing on in the yard. So I noticed that you guys are watching my videos. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for constantly being so loyal, even though I have not been creating very many videos or sharing very much of what's going on in the yard. I appreciate you so much. So I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody who's still here. Thank you so much, and until the next video, grow with love, everybody. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.